Returning now to our tutorial videos for the Curator database for managing your artwork inventory. In this video, we're going to look at some basic navigation to see your artwork items and how they appear in the basic lists. So we'll start with the item in our menu to go to My Artwork, and you'll be looking at a list view in alphabetical order of all the same items that you saw on the home screen, with a few other relevant items. First, you have a status column telling you at a glance where it happens to be, either on consignment or in a studio, at a gallery. You can see the price. Beside the price is a little icon that will allow you to visit the actual artwork page, and we'll do a little bit more on that in a moment. Beside the price and the button that I just showed you, there's a little icon with a blue and a dot over an I, and what that is representing is an info sheet. The info sheet can be printed by pressing this print button, and it allows you to quickly produce a sheet that you might want to send to somebody with a thumbnail image of the artwork, its price. You have the ability here to turn the tax on or off depending on who you're sending it to, and then just close this window when you're done with it. The column that's called Select is one that we'll look at later on when we're making special lists. You can sort this list quickly by going to a particular letter of the alphabet. If you don't have anything in that letter of the alphabet, for instance, if I choose Q, you'll see it'll go to the first R. It'll go to the next letter of the alphabet if there isn't anything in the one that you've chosen. Later on, we'll show how you can add artwork using this button, and later on I'll also show you how you can use PDF printing to send lists to people. You can only delete with this X button the items that are in the studio. You cannot delete something that is on exhibit somewhere or on consignment. If you want to quickly look at the detail for a particular item, just turn the little arrow downward and you'll be able to see more detail than you see in the basic list view. Click the arrow again and it will compress the list. You can toggle it back and forth as you need to. Any of the fields that are editable here are the same fields that you would see if you use the button I showed you before, except here you see a little bit more detail. In this view, besides the basic items that we'll go through in the next video, you also have a large picture, maybe a close-up view of something, and some action buttons that we'll go into in the next video.